Hi guys, my name is Gretchen Maurer, and the most important thing that I want you to know is that I am here to work with you, to respond with you, to help you, and to encourage you that anything you want out of your career in hairdressing is absolutely available. I like to say everything is figure-outable. And as I go through being here on Udemy, I'm going to put together more courses on how to get in magazines, and courses on how to grow your clientele. It's just an absolutely fascinating and amazing journey being a hairdresser. Collaborating. These photo shoots are all about collaborating with other professionals. You guys get together with a makeup artist and a photographer and models and a dress designer, and everybody shows up and everybody works together and everybody gets shots for their portfolio. That's how I got all these shots. I just can't wait for you to take these courses, to finish these courses, and to really make an impact in your career. Thank you so much for spending time with me here.